To create a topic, you click Write Memo in the nav bar and then the Create Topic button. The first task of creating a topic is to select which workspace you want the topic to belong to. So you select one of the workspaces you're a member of from the drop-down menu and click Create Topic. Next, you fill out some metadata about the topic, so the topic name, description of the topic, and you can also give a tag to the topic, and this is used to group similar topics together. Next, you select which data sets your topic will use, and you just choose the data set from the drop-down menu and click Add Data. You can see our other video about how to use data in Memos for more details. Next, you enter the code for the topic. So the main code will be a function that takes the premises as arguments. Note that the premises will actually determine the name that gets shown on the interface. So you want to choose the name so that they're easy to interpret for others. You do whatever analysis you need to do, and then you return one of 4 types of values. You can return a single value, or you can return a dictionary, you can return a list, or you can return a data frame. The other 2 types of functions you could specify here are a function that will explain the premises. So that function also takes the premises as an argument, and then it returns a string that's going to be an explanation of exactly what the premises are. The third function explains what the conclusions are. So that one take whatever you returned from the main function as its input. So you can explain what the results mean using that function. And then you just got to give each of the functions names in the 3 text box below. You can also copy, code from another topic as your base. Maybe you're just making some small edits to it. You can select another topic's name from the drop-down and click Copy, and then the code and everything will be replaced by the code for that topic, and that can give you kind of a base that you can then edit and make changes to. Once you have that all set up, you click Save to continue. Next, you have to add the arguments, and this kind of gives metadata for them to help Memos display the options and determine how the values will get sent to the topics. So you click Add Argument, and then you fill in the name of the argument, and then you give a description of it, and that description will be displayed in the interface. And then you can choose what type it is, which is either a number or a text. You can set a default value, and you can also set a maximum number of elements. If your argument is only going to have a single value, then it would just be 1, which is the default there. So if I just want, for example, the baseline conversion rate in this sample sizing example, that's just going to be a single value. You can also imagine, though, having arguments that have multiple values. You can also allow people to choose from only a certain set of options. And the way you do that is you just enter a JSON array. You can also set a minimum value and a maximum value. When you're all done with the argument, you click Save, and then you'll see this table up top update. So you can see the arguments that Memos currently knows about. Once you're all done, once you've gone through all the arguments and you've saved them, you just click Create Topic, and then the topic is fully created. Okay, and that's that. That's all there is to creating topics in Memos. You can see our documentation on the site for more details and some other examples. And feel free to reach out if you need any help. And thank you very much, and happy memoing.